Good evening, namaskar. We need director to be. Yeah, without them, it's very difficult to work. Satish, well done. Congratulations, knowing you for so many years, and your passion towards the work is excellent. I always believe that you have to have a passion to do anything. People come and go, we will come and go, but I think the work what you are doing will remain throughout. It's the people like you, very, very important, what I feel, who given life to other people. I think we give smile to other people, you give life to other people, and that's important. I known you for so many years. I never thought that one day I will come out and see the success what you have. But unbelievable. And it's just the beginning. When I met you first time, we never thought 10 lakhs was big enough to contribute. And today, Ravi, you come out and pay 2 crores. You feel the work must be gone in the right direction to achieve something like that. I think people like us or the media have one responsibility, the awareness. Sometimes you want to give, but you have no idea what's happening around you. And if we can bring and media awareness to the people, we will not find one Ravi, we'll find 100 Ravi to come forward to help any charitable organization. Very important to have charitable mind. That's very, very important. And I feel we all, God have given us so much. If 5% we give our effort, 5% our love, money to the charity, this world looks so beautiful. It is not, we have to smile. We have to smile with everybody. If we keep on becoming rich and the people around us poor, it's really hurt you. I just like to say to everybody, to the media, more responsibility. Awareness is everything today, and you can do it. I can understand TRP sometimes. You make sensational news, but sometimes these beautiful news are much better than sensational news, which we get TRP. But I want to say, without media, it's not possible. Satish, you can do anything, we can do anything, but if we can get the right support from the media, this trouble will go faster out of our way than later. I wish you, and more than you, to your entire team. It's not you, it's the team who are behind the show. They are spending so much time, effort, and they don't get recognition. I like to say thanks to them to give so much effort and time. You can clap once again for those people who are behind. Well done. Keep up the good work. And I love you all. And I want to wish you, next time when we come out, we'll come out for a 4 crore rupees of check. Somebody will come forward. Wish you all the luck, and that's what we can do. Wherever you need people like us, we will be there. But again, you are the one who are showing the route and the way. Good luck. Keep up the good work.